Welcome to Groyyo Plus, your go-to solution for managing your manufacturing operations efficiently, all in one place. From orders to production tracking, and even handling commercials, Groyyo Plus is here to simplify your workflow without the heavy costs of a traditional ERP. Let's get started by logging in to your Groyyo Plus account. Once logged in, you're greeted with the dashboard. This is your central hub where you can easily track all your key activities. Here, you can see the status of ongoing orders, production progress, and quick access to your materials and commercial tracking. Everything is organized for you in a user-friendly format. Let's start by managing your orders. Simply head to the Orders section and click New Order to create one. You can easily input order details like client name, order quantity, and deadlines. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save, and your order will be automatically added to your list of active orders. Next, we'll move on to managing your bill of materials. Groyyo Plus makes it simple to organize your materials for each order. Here, you can add materials, specify quantities, and assign them to an order. This allows you to track materials needed and even manage your stock levels accordingly. Now let's dive into production tracking. This feature allows you to stay on top of every step in the manufacturing process. You can monitor real-time production status, ensuring that you meet deadlines without any delays. As each stage of production is completed, update the status here so you have a clear overview of where everything stands. If there are any delays, you can see them early and address them immediately. Groyyo Plus also helps you manage the financial side of your operations with its commercials section. You can track costs, invoices, and payments all within the app. Easily input payment details, generate invoices, and keep track of your overall costs, making sure your financials are always in check. Need to review your performance? The Reports feature provides a detailed breakdown of your operations, from order completion rates to material usage and financials. For instance, the Help Center is just a click away. You can find guides, FAQs, or even get in touch with our support team for quick assistance. And that's a quick tour of Groyyo Plus.